Hey, look what we have here at Unique Specialty Classics. 1960 Chevrolet El Camino. This particular car powered by a 283 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Also has power brakes, and if you take a look up front here, we do see we have front disc brakes, riding an American Racing polished 5-spoke wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front chrome and bright work. Now, as you can see, paint, body, not perfect on this car. I'm going to get into that here in just a bit. First of all, let's take a look at this grille, bumper, headlight surrounds, and let me tell you where to check out the still pictures so you can take your time looking through this, see what I'm talking about. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us. Now, paint, you can see it is older paint. It does have some oxidation, places where it's peeling. A little corrosion on the front fender. I'll tell you right now, this is one of those cars, drive it the way it is. Obviously it's a 60 El Camino. Or if you want to take to the next level, it will take some TLC. Take a look at the undersides. There's some inner rockers, and again, there's some spots where you'll see holes. Again, to take to this next level, it would take some TLC. But interior has been redone. Engine will fire up, run. It's one of those, if you want to take to your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins, drive it the way it is. Kind of go with that patina look. That's what you have. Or take it to the next level. Take a look at this interior. Seats redone, door panels, dash, radio works, does have electric wipers. You'll notice there's not blades on there, but they do work. There's some blades that were behind the seat that will be included with the purchase of the vehicle. So interior's got a start for you. Iconic roof line on the 60. And then of course the rear. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can also see bright work has some nicks, dings in it. Bed liner back here. Let's see if I can pull it up in a corner for you. Storage compartment underneath there. I believe it had a newer fuel tank in it too. Take a look at the underside pictures. Like I said, take your time looking through the pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about on this one. A few things I can tell you. This would have started out as a V8 vehicle. Did have a V8 underneath the hood, 1280 for style number on that cowl tag. You're going to see a picture of the cowl tag in with the still pictures, as well as the VIN number and the VIN plate. It was also a St. Louis built vehicle and body number 61. As far as original color of this vehicle, it was an original two-tone car in ermine white and Roman red, which if you think back to the 59 and 60s, you didn't see a lot of the two-tones. Yes, they're out there, but didn't see a lot of them that way. All right, take a little closer look at this interior. Has odometer gauges also installed in nice shape. And look at the door panels. Those look good. Carpeting. So there's a couple of the wiper arms right there that will go with it. Again, seats show very little wear, so the interior's got the start in the car for you. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Oil pressure, volts, fuel gauge all appear to be working. That was a cold start too, so I wouldn't expect the temperature gauge to be up. But good looking dash. You really won't have to touch anything in the interior unless you want an upgraded radio, but this one does work. There's some aftermarket speakers behind the seats. Headliner. Look at that. It's a good looking interior. Door closes nicely. Slip around, see how that 283 sounds. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. Let's go check out this engine bay, see what else is underneath there. I'm gonna pause this so I get the hood open and check that out. We'll wrap up this video. There's a look at the underside of the hood. There's a 283 Edelbrock 4-barrel Offenhauser intake manifold. You can see power brakes. Looks like a newer booster and master cylinder proportioning valve. And remember, disc brakes up front. Turbo Hydromatic 350 automatic transmission behind that 283. Riding on those American Racing polished wheels. So take your time looking through the still pictures. Does need some TLC underneath, or if you want to bring the paint to the next level, it would take some care, but take a look at that. It's still a 1960 El Camino. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Give us a call, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1960 Chevy El Camino. I'm going to take it for a drive. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are mostly dry and we wash our vehicles, so we can do these videos for you. I don't have a blinker indicator. All the gauges do appear to work. We're at 55 miles an hour. Oil pressure showing 60. The water is at 150. It's still warming up. Volts are just under 14. Fuel's at a quarter. This is a comfortable vehicle. Very nice seats.
Check ignition.
Radio works good. There are no wiper arms attached. The blower motor does not function. Brakes work good. Steers good. Feel maybe some flat spots in the tires. But she goes straight down the road. It's a nice ride. Get around this roundabout and give you a little more speed. Corners well, easy to steer. At 55 miles an hour. This car is very nice interior. It's well done. The red and black go well together. Definitely check this car out on our website, UniqueClassicCars.com.